Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by stopping everything that might lock files. Quit Android Studio, then force quit any emulator and background Java or Gradle processes. This prevents permission errors. Once done, make sure to back up your projects and Gradle settings. This preserves your work if you reinstall. You should also sign out and disable plugins so settings don't attempt cloud sync while you delete files. These first steps remove locks and save crucial data, and they make the rest of the deletion clean and predictable. Now you remove the main components. Uninstall Android Studio using the system uninstaller or delete the app bundle, then delete the SDK root, typically labeled SDK. This frees tens of gigabytes. Next, remove AVD images and emulator caches. These are often under ~. Android or C, \users %user %. Android. Also delete Gradle caches in ~. Gradle and any Android Studio caches in user library. Finish by erasing remnants and verifying removal. Delete IDE config and preference directories in your home and system library locations so no user settings remain. Then run a quick disk search for Android Studio, SDK, and Gradle to catch stray folders or logs. Remove anything related. Once removed, reboot the machine to clear temp handles. After restart, confirm that Android or Studio commands fail. This proves a full uninstall. If something went wrong, restore only your backed up project files and retry the targeted deletions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.